Hi John, how are you? Just do another video and upload to YouTube and send to you. I try to make clear as I can, easy to understand. Okay. You see, the radio is on. Quad there is on. You see them light flashing. About the switch, you ask me a lot of switch. Don't worry about that. No work. This switch no work. This switch no work. Only two. Remember two. Two switch work. SWC, SWD, SWD to control your speaker on your quad to make it work. Nothing about fly. This one doesn't matter. This for your speaker, right? Switch C for fly mode. Top, if you read the DJI menu, there should be no. Top is stabilizer fly. Middle, altitude fly. Bottom, back to home. Okay? So when you fly, switch must be on top. Power on here. You need arm it. How to arm it? Right hand down bottom. See? Arm. Throttle up. See? You see the hover there. Free hand to fly. The hover by itself. Okay? One line. One line, throttle down. Yes, land. Disarm. Okay? Disarm. Arm. Okay? Disarm. And set. I think it's all I can tell you about. Oh, another things. When you turn this remote control off, you need to power this one off first. Otherwise, see? Are you sure? Yes. But your radio different than this one. Your radio must turn off the quad power first and turn off this radio. Okay? You can try to fly in this afternoon. If you cannot make it work, send back to me. Money refund. Easy, no problem at all. Okay?